welcome to my channel. Today I want to discuss with you about recursion. So what is recursion? There are a lot of definitions out there in Google or in Stack Overflow. Like it is known that so what is a recursion? I want to discuss the definition at first. A function calling itself is called a recursion. So what is recursion? A function calling itself is called recursion. So this is recursion, and let's take an example. For example, I am creating a class and the main function, and within that I am doing static void countdown and within this I am getting int n, and if 0 out n and n minus sorry n minus 1. So what it is doing here? Okay, I am doing the, let me call it countdown to 7. So what this function doing here? You can see I have defined a class, I have defined a method countdown, and within the bracket I have given int n as parameter. So what it does, if n greater than 0, it will print the n and then call the function again with the value of n minus 1. For example, if I have given here 5, it will check the condition at first. Is 5 greater than 0? Yes, it is greater than 0, and it will print 5 here. Then it will call the countdown function again, but at what parameter? 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. So it means that this function is called again with the parameter 4. Now what? Again it will start executing if 4 greater than 0. Yes, of course 4 is greater than 0. Then it will print here 4. Then it will go and execute the function again of what parameter? 4 minus 1, that is 3. Then it will go here as 3. Then it will again check and again print. This process goes on and on. When the n becomes 0, the if condition fails, then it simply breaks through the function and execute the program. So this is what a recursion is all about. Let me run and check it. See, 7 6 5 4 3 2 1. I have given a 7, so it prints till 1 and the program terminates. You can do a similar function of printing factorial. Let me do it. Static void static int n. In factorial there is a condition: if n equal to 0, then return 1, or n equal to 1, then also return 1. If if n equal to 0, then return 1. If n equal to 1, then return 1. So if the value of n is 0 or 1, it will return 1. Okay, then I will print here int p is equal to factorial of n into n minus 1, and at last I will display here return p, duplicate local variable. So okay, so duplicate, oh, okay, I have defined here p is equal to 1, so we are using recursion, so we don't need it. So this is what factorial function is all about. Let's call it and check. Factorial of 5, it is it should give 120. Let's see what it gives. Okay, I am storing the result in I am storing the factorial of here in result variable, and I am displaying like this. The factorial of, okay, the factorial of 5 is plus result. So this should do, let's see, it gives 120. So if I give here, now let's check in another example. If I give here 8, and I am changing here 8, and let's see 40320. So this is how recursive function works, and this is how a recursion is done. So that's all. Thank you for watching, and subscribe to my channel.